Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the sliding gate design ideas because sliding gate moves on a rail that is usually fixed on the ground. Unlike the regular swing gates, these gates move on horizontal direction. You can choose a manual sliding gate design or automatic system which work on motor, added transmitter which control the gate movement. Depending on the place of installation, available budget, you can choose from in this video popular varieties of sliding gate designs. Track sliding gates. These gates move on a rail with the help of wheels or roller. They are ideal for homes and commercial spaces. However, the rails have high wear and tear that require regular maintenance. If you have on the ground where it's not possible to install bottom rails, this style works well. They are operated on two sets of rollers which are attached to the wall. Telescopic sliding gates. These gates are ideal if you have space but want its wide opening. To let easy movement, they are operated in telescopic model using. Before buying sliding gates for your home, I recommended some points and you keep in the mind. Measurement. The first step to buy the gate is know its proper measurement. Measure the length of and weight of the gate you need to ensure and better fit. Second one is budget. Now your budget to know your spending limit. Search for the right option is the range material. You must always buy good quality material that is worth the money. Do not compromise on cheap stuff. Even they are price low, it's always wise to spend a little extra to get long lasting materials. Type. Depending on the landscape, choose from the above mentioned types of sliding gates. Along with functionality, pick a design that can increase curb appeal for your exterior and create impressive look. Took look. This is stunning main gate for your house, which is surely your visitors. It's an combination of classy line wood with a ace of sliding. The rustic wooden panels are supported by metal frame, which can make last longer and reduce the chances of damage. Automatic sliding doors can greater demand these days. The multiple benefits of these doors include ease of operation, reduce manual labor, and highest level of safety. Plus, it's cool idea to have doors that opens by itself using moment dictators. These doors are price high but worth every bit. And take a look this one. Sliding gate where MS stands for the motorized the design gates. It's named from the use of automatic system which turns on a motor. The single sliding gate is not only aesthetically appealing but also quite convenient to use. You can get the look customized based on your requirements. When it comes to